Oh, it's been tough today. It has been tough. This is some tough summer fishing. But I got one here on a Shakey Head. Come on now. He's not happy. He's under my boat. He is not happy at all. This is the first time. I always used to miss, whoa there, that's not a bad one. I always used to miss hook sets on Shakey Heads until I did what I'm going to show you. Oh, there, guy. And that's not a bad one either. Oh, settle down. Settle down. They're deep. They're not in the weeds. They're deep. I caught this in about 15 feet of water on a Shakey Head. That's not a bad little chunk for Burke Lake. It's been hot. It's been hard fishing. This fish, oh, this is a spot. All right. Owner. I don't know if you can see that. Owner ball head. That's what I caught that fish on. Every other Shakey Head jig that I've tried many of them. I always miss the hook set. Couldn't figure out why. Figuring rod action. Tried different rods. This did it. Looks like the fish have woken up, or I've really found a good spot. Another one on the Shakey Head. Summertime worming. Come here, you. These aren't bad quality fish either. Oh, come here, young sir. You're pulling like a champ. You're pulling like a bull run fish. Yes, you are. He's not a bad fish. Come to find out, the big ones were all out deep. Yeah. Catching these in about 15 feet of water. Owner ball head jig with a trick worm. Deep water, deepish. Not a bad little chunk. Well, today didn't turn out to be a bad day. Let's see if we can catch some more before it gets unreasonable. It was a struggle out here today. Started off 6:30 in the morning. It was already 70 degrees, humid. No, it was more than 70 degrees, probably 75 degrees. Right now it's about, let's see, 86 degrees. I'm gonna beach while the getting's good. I wasted a lot of the morning because I got stuck in a pattern. I gotta keep reminding myself what worked yesterday may not work today. The water temperature is almost 84 degrees. It's 83.5 degrees. Those fish aren't shallow, not in this warmer water. Previous weeks they were all up in the milfoil. I worked the milfoil, didn't get nary a bite. As soon as I started fishing offshore, that's when I caught the couple of fish that I caught today. So, lesson learned. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow with a little different setup, but still fish that Shakey Heads. I did bring a jig with me too. Didn't fish that too much, but now that summer's full on, I think they're in deeper water, so that's what we're gonna fish.